An old house in the heart of São Paulo has been thoughtfully transformed into a contemporary home, one that honors the layers of its past while embracing modern living. This is House de Vila, a 128 square meter residence meticulously renovated by Mariana Orsi Arquitetura Design. The project reflects a deep appreciation for history, paired with a clear response to present-day needs. This renovation is a standout example of successful retrofitting. It preserves the home's original structure while creating new opportunities for integration and natural light. Outdated or deteriorated sections were removed, but character-rich features, like the wooden staircase and upper floors, were lovingly preserved. The result is a home that brings together two worlds: the elegance of a classic villa and the warmth and comfort of modern design. One side of the house was open to make room for a compact garden, creating a more intimate relationship with nature. This green space can be seen from several key areas: the kitchen, laundry, and family room, bringing in both fresh air and a sense of continuity between the indoors and outdoors. On the ground floor, one of the most striking elements is the green hydraulic tile flooring, which replaced the damaged wooden floors. This shade of green wasn't chosen at random. It acts as a visual thread, weaving through the home in details like the mashrabia-inspired facade screens and interior finishes. It also nods to the home's strong Brazilian identity. particularly thoughtful design decision was the re-exposure of the wooden staircase, which had been hidden behind a plaster ceiling in the living room. By revealing it once again, the architect not only highlighted the home's original bones, but also added an honest and visually compelling element rooted in its history. Upstairs, the renovation involved removing select walls to expand the bedrooms. The original wood floors were kept and restored, providing a warm contrast to newer additions like the upgraded bathroom. Here, classic white wall tiles were paired with green floor tiles, a subtle yet effective way to continue the home's signature color theme. Ultimately, House de Vila is more than just a renovation project. It tells an architectural story of how an old house can be given new life without erasing its identity. It remains true to the semi-enclosed village-like character of its São Paulo neighborhood, while offering a level of comfort and design sensibility that fits seamlessly into contemporary living. This project reminds us that renovation doesn't mean replacing everything old. Instead, it's about celebrating what already exists, repairing what's broken, and harmonizing it with today's lifestyle. House de Vila proves that when a home respects its past, it can become a meaningful source of inspiration for a warmer, more sustainable future.